Welcome to DIY with Jerry's Garage. Today we have a problem with the dishwasher. Okay, mid-cycle you open the door, the water keeps going. That's supposed to shut off, as we all know. In this case, it's I need a new handle. This is it. Get up here so you can see it. Okay, now what most people don't know about a handle on a dishwasher, that it's actually a switch also, where you hook up electrical wires so that when you do open it, it sends a signal and it stops the water from flying around inside, washing your dishes. And although we don't really, open it, we use it every day. There's only two of us, so there's not a ton of dishes. But if you have kids or whatever, you're probably opening it quite a bit because the kid bringing his dish after you started. After you've asked them 4 times if they're done and brought all their dishes out, that kind of thing. So it can be a real pain. And I'm the kind of guy that if I have a machine, it's supposed to have all these things on it, I want them all to work. So we're replacing this. There'll be a link in the comments for this with the model number to the dishwasher. It is a Whirlpool. Okay. Works pretty good. Everything else works fine, except the handle. And I'm just going to show you how to replace this. It's pretty simple. Okay, not a big deal, and save you quite a bit on a repairman coming out and spending 5 minutes doing this, and then charging you all kinds of money for it. Very simple to do. Okay, so anyway, it's only 2 screws. You see the little holes here. Move up, okay, right here and right here. Okay, that's it. You pull it out, put the one in, plug it in, done. Put the front back on. Okay, very easy. So that's what we're gonna do. It'll be fun because you don't actually have to do what I do, and all you gotta do is sit there and make fun of me, and that'll be fun for you. Anyway, this is actually, I think I said Whirlpool, it's a Frigidaire. As I said, the model and all that'll be in there. Your handle is up in here, okay? And you can pull that out and you can kind of see. Now what needs to happen is this piece here has to come off. And that's what we'll be doing first in order to get to this and do that. And so on and so forth and onward and into the night, which it currently is because I can't sleep nights for some reason. Anyway, there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 screws. Keep in mind that these screws also help hold this on the front, and you don't want that banging off. So you're gonna have to do this kind of carefully, okay? So I believe actually it's 4 screws. These top ones hold this on, and then these two, this one holds both the front and this, so that it doesn't flop up here and do all that. Okay, so these are hex heads. I don't really know the size. And truthfully, you should probably have a set of these laying around. Okay, I'm going to use a drill. You can, if you have a set of hex head screwdrivers, you can use them. If you have a ratcheting screwdriver, that you can remove the head and tip rather, and put in all different types. You can use that. It's not a big deal. What we're going to do here is, and if you're going to use a drill, you see how I was doing it kind of slowly. I didn't, put it on high speed. This is all plastic crap made in China, so you don't want to be stripping any of these out. And you especially don't want to, be losing these. So keep them in a safe place where you won't lose any. You want them all to go back on. At this point, this will slide up and here. Okay, now this has wires attached to it, so be careful. Okay, right here and here, okay, there are 2 screws, you'll see them. All right. So what we're going to do is take those screws out to this handle. Now, slowly, and I'm going to put them to a different size. Now these, as you can see, are bigger than the ones I just took out. So they're not hard to figure out. They go in a little deeper, so that's why you got to do it that way. And you pull this, and now your handle, as you can see, is off. Then you're going to want to look at these wires. Now we got some black wires here and we got some white wires. Okay, so I'm going to get this handle, bring it back over here, and we're going to want to set this handle like this one is. So the actual handle part is facing down. Okay, you can place that right up there. You pull off the one side, you put it in over here, okay, very gently until it is all the way in nicely, okay. Then you take off your black wires, put that up there, and put this here, okay, until they're both snug in there. Very simple, okay? Very, very simple. Then you bring your handle back down. You take your screws. You can also tell, like this one is kind of here. Okay, now you look at this. Okay, and this one is, you could kind of tell it's really not working anymore, and that's a problem. So, pull that. Put in here and just get it started. Okay, no problem, no problem. In here, and you just get that one started. It's always good to get these started first before you, especially with a drill, okay? Because you can strip them out very easily, nice and slow until it's tight, okay? And then you do this side. There you go. You can tell that's nice. Then what you do, okay, is you take this, open it up a little bit, and you want that to fit in there. And just like that, okay, very simple. And you take your other screws. I'm going to put one up here on the top and just get it started. And just get it started. Okay, a little bit. There we go. And then we slowly, just till it stops. Okay, now that'll hold that on there. You don't have to worry about anything falling off. It's very nice. Then you put that one in. After this, you can do it pretty much in any order you want. Now, I've been doing this a while. So, do that. But all of these, you really should start by hand first if you're not really used to doing this. Very simple. There you go. And we're going to put this one in. Now, the thing is, you don't want to over tighten it because, frankly, this is all plastic. You can crack this plastic. It's no good to do that. Because then you can get water in there. And even people who aren't used to doing this, okay, know that water and electricity don't mix. Then, click it shut. So, you saw how long that took me. Okay, couple of minutes. No problem. All right, it's gonna work great. I probably saved at least $100. I don't remember what the handle cost, but when they bring you a handle, they're going to charge you their price for the handle plus a profit, plus their service call. Okay, so depending on what your repairman charges for service calls, you know, could be $50, $100. You've just saved that in 5 minutes. And you're done. And you have a completely working machine. And none of this was hard. None of it. It's what people don't understand. Okay, you can save hundreds and hundreds of dollars on stuff that you think is broken. You'd be amazed how much stuff gets put into the garbage that needs a $5 part and it works perfect. But a lot of people, they don't want to be bothered. And believe me, the repairmen know this. So that's why you see so many videos with actual repairmen doing this stuff. They know, okay, that there's going to be people out there who just either don't care, too lazy, too scared. Oh my God, the warranty, all this kind of crap, okay? All right? And are willing to pay the money that they're getting. I don't happen to be one of those people. All right? I will fix anything to have somebody other than have somebody come out here and do it for me. It irritates me when somebody has to come out here and do it for me. Okay? And I don't like being irritated. So, you saw how fast that went. It's a simple job. You know, 2 sets of wires, 2 screws, and then the screws around the top, take the top off. And these appliances you see everywhere, your kitchen, other people's kitchens, a lot of them may have a different name on them, but they're made by the same company, use the same type of parts, they look exactly the same. You can interchange them, okay, to whatever you're using, you know, and it doesn't take much to figure out how to fix them. If you don't know what's wrong with it, but you have a symptom, you go online, you put the symptom in, the washer or the refrigerator, stove, washer, dryer, okay, and whatever that symptom is, results will come up. You look it up, try to find on YouTube or something your machine, tell you how to do it, and if it don't have your exact machine, you're going to get close enough to where you'll be able to do it. Okay, you watch 5 or 10 videos, all right, and then you just screw up the courage. I'm gonna do this, and when you get done and have a working machine, you're gonna be very happy, because you saved a lot of money and you accomplished something, and that's all that matters. Anyway, this has been another edition of DIY with Jerry's Garage. I hope you learned something. I hope you go out there and fix something. Y'all have a great day. Bye.